Powerful meditation on Psalm 91 for sleep. Sleep better with Psalm 91. Your nightly refuge from fear and anxiety. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you exhale, release any tension or stress that you are carrying. Now, imagine yourself floating in a warm and peaceful space. You are surrounded by love and light. You are safe and secure. Repeat these words to yourself. I am safe in the arms of God. I am surrounded by His love and protection. I have nothing to fear. Now, listen to the words of Psalm 91. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will abide in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. As you listen to these words, feel God's presence surrounding you and protecting you. You are safe in His shadow, for He will deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His pinions, and under His wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness is a shield and buckler. God will deliver you from all harm, both seen and unseen. He will cover you with His wings, and you will find refuge under them. His faithfulness is a shield and buckler that will protect you from all harm. You will not fear the terror of the night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in the darkness, nor the destruction that wastes at noonday. For God is with you, and He will protect you. 1,000 may fall at your side, and 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only look with your eyes and see the recompense of the wicked, because you have made the Lord your dwelling place, the Most High, who is my refuge. No evil shall befall you, no scourge come near your tent. God has commanded His angels to guard you in all your ways. They will bear you up on their hands, so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and the cobra. You will trample the young lion and the serpent. Because He holds fast to me in love, I will deliver him, I will protect him because he knows my name. When he calls to me, I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble, I will deliver him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. Because you hold fast to God in love, He will deliver you and protect you. He knows your name, and He loves you. When you call to God, He will answer you. He will be with you in trouble. He will deliver you and honor you. With long life He will satisfy you and show you His salvation. Now, repeat these words to yourself. I am safe in the arms of God. I am surrounded by His love and protection. I have nothing to fear. As you drift off to sleep tonight, rest assured in the knowledge that God is with you and He will protect you. He has promised divine protection to those who trust in Him. Dear Lord, thank you for your divine protection. I trust in you, and I know that you are with me. You have promised to deliver me from all harm and to protect me in all my ways. I rest in your love and peace tonight. Thank you for your amazing grace and mercy. Amen. I hope this meditation has helped you to relax and fall asleep peacefully. Remember that God is always with you, and He will always protect you. Sweet dreams.